I wonder if it's long term.
Well, there's three assumptions, rules of location in mind and out there.
Do anything with the jump or anything like that?
Oh, no, Mr. Baker, no.
So he didn't like break the law in terms of hard.
No.
Okay. All right. Let's stop. How long have they been married? It's 10 years.
Yeah.
Well, I want to give you down to right, but I don't know if
is likely across the state.
I don't know if quite.
Hi, Upton. Thanks for question.
This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather,
Hello?
this variability is normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmission, even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous walkthroughs and warnings for the following counties: in southeast New York, Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, in northern and central New Jersey, Bergen, Morris, Somerset, Southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test.
Alright. Nature's testing. Okay. Thanks, Peter. Bang. Nothing? Yeah, there we are.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device for station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated.
Let's go to... Yeah, I should be testing. Hello? Oh, there they are. Why did they test? There they are.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device for station KIH-28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Okay, let's try again. WNG 704 and WXM60. And maybe WXK 97. That's sometimes concept. Okay.
After midnight, Saturday, warning device, station WXM60 encountered a chance of rain. From the transmitter, these are automatic. Sunday, here is the area weather becoming west in the afternoon.
Nope.
Waves 1 foot every Wednesday in areas near the city of Philadelphia. Berks, during the morning. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, issued at 4:45 a.m. Wednesday, November. This area windy. Newcastle. Waves 1 foot or less.
Okay. There's... Yeah. They're done. Okay. Okay, I see.
Warning device for station W704 in High Pennsylvania. Especially built receiver coming north
Yeah, they're not.
Pending hazard. Signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order each time. Warning alarm 5 9 and warning for the following.
Yeah, they're coming in.
Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle, and in Maryland, Depot, including Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards.
Today could be a good day to go shoot for the record books. It is Guinness Records Day. Guinness is marking the occasion by featuring some pretty impressive feats. First up, Lucy Colback in England set the record for the most standing backwards somersaults in 30 seconds. She completed 17. Jessica Martinez in New York set the record for the world's largest afro with a circumference of more than 6 feet. Wow. And in Tokyo, Sunichi Kano stuck 25 empty drink cans to his face and torso to be crowned most drink cans placed on the body using air suction. I didn't realize it was a category.
And I didn't realize somebody would think to do this.
Oh.
Okay, there it is. Congrats to him and all the winners.
Finally at 10, Hollywood is getting a bit cheesier, really, after an interest. The View is up next, and then be sure to stick around for Action News at 10.
Thank you so much for spending the hour with us.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Some restrictions apply. For complete details, please visit OptimaTaxRelief.com.
Hey, it's Rich. As you only hear about friend Matt from Emma's Roofing and Siding. If you're like me, your house is a real beating this winter from all the snow, ice, and storms.
At Emma's Roofing and Siding, we're here to put it back together. We specialize in storm-resistant roofing and siding systems designed to last no matter what Mother Nature throws at us.
Emmons is who I use and recommend, so call Emmons today at 856-556-3229 for a free roof inspection.
This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Pennsylvania, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia are proud contributors to all aspects of growth in this great city. The Major District Council provides safe, well-trained, productive workers who enable projects to be done on time and under budget.
Sound too conceited if we keep
All right,
repeating
we're
how
going to
they
be getting WTDY, WOGL, and WBEB's required weekly test today. This is a new radio that I'm going to have to add to our database. Most of you won't be using it a lot, but this one is monitoring WBEB. This is WOGL, and my WR400 over here is monitoring WTDY. Oh, there we go. WOGL, WTDY, and WBEB. Yeah, we're done.